guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy and this is Wendy with the I am back with another HelloFresh cooking lesson, meal, however you want to say it. But I'm basically showing you guys how I'm basically preparing this new dish. It's called the barbecue ranch chicken flatbreads with double cheese. And it was amazing, just FYI. I think this was one of the HelloFresh favorites. So I guess it's, super popular on HelloFresh. It does say that the prep time was 5 minutes, cook time was 15 minutes. And then the calories, which let's talk about this. The calories for a serving of this is 980 calories. To me, that's a lot. That's a lot of calories. And I don't remember if I talked about this in my last HelloFresh video, but you can actually choose healthier options on HelloFresh. But I just chose what was available to me for the free box. So I guess like if I had a subscription, it would open my options up considerably. And I think next time that I do a box, obviously it will be me getting a subscription to do so, but the next time I do it, I will look for more healthier options. But I will tell you again, this was amazing. I've cooked 3 so far, actually. This is the second one that I've put on my channel, but they all have been so amazing, and I have 2 more to go. And so I'm super excited to continue to just video the prep and the finish for you guys, so you can see basically the outcomes of these meals. And yeah, that's all I got. So if you guys have any questions about my experience with the free box or the subscription or anything HelloFresh that I can try to answer, just leave the questions below, or if you have comments, whatever, just leave it below. Also, thank you for hanging with me through August. We are over halfway there and I'm so excited about it. But we're gonna keep going strong, and thank you guys for hanging with me. So yeah, that's all I got. Enjoy the rest of my meal prep and cooking and completion of this HelloFresh meal. Bye guys.